I was doing a Twitch live stream of checking out V's Layover EP. I wanted to share this because this song has a chokehold on me. For Us by V. Oof, so good. The first part's muted because of copyright, but it's gonna hit in 3, 2, 1. Free Kind and Monroe. Whoa, hold up. Wait, hold up. Bitch. What the hell? This unlocked something in me. Bro, I'm so teary-eyed right now. Oh my god, that shit hit me. Oh. Stop V. I'm taken. I love Hedgie. I love my girlfriend. He's like a siren. He's like he gonna you know what I mean? He hypnotizing me with his voice. This part right here. Crazy. What? I need to see this live. I don't care. Go on tour, please. When you're good and ready, obviously. But nah, does he have enough songs to do a tour? I don't know. You know what? I'll go to a festival. That was nice. Oh, when is the MP for this coming out? Again, letting the instrumental and piano just play, just breathe. I love it.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.